Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is FAIRPHONE 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to install green Apple keyboard app from the Play Store. So I'm gonna search green Apple keyboard and install the app. So now we can open the app. So first, as you can see, we have to enable green Apple keyboard. Second step is switch to green Apple keyboard. And that's it. So now look, when I'm gonna search, for example, here, as you can see, I have Apple keyboard and even Apple emojis. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!